So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to order from AllChinaBuy. So first, you need to access the AllChinaBuy via Chrome or any search engines based on your preference. But in this case, I'm using Google Chrome. So for you to be able to access the AllChinaBuy, you just have to utilize the search bar for you to able to search for the allchinabuy.com. And once you're in, just simply sign in using your credentials. But if you don't have one, just simply click the sign up button. And then you will see this search bar right here, which is you could actually type in the specific product that you wanted to order. For example, fan. Once you click on that, a lot of options might pop up on your screen, and then you just have to click on the specific product that you wanted to order. Then you will see right here, which is the buy now, for you to able to redirect to the confirmation page for you to able to check it out. Or you could also click the add to cart for you to able to add this specific product on your cart. So that's how you order from All China Buy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.